Bitcoin, the truth about the halving. Forget the 100K. What's going on in the crypto world? You want to know what's going to happen after Bitcoin halving? Where is going to go the price? Then smash the like button because it's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max. With Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most. We have today news about Bitcoin chart in the daily, so the short term for Bitcoin, but also we're going to talk about what's going to happen after the halving. You can see Bitcoin fighting in the last all-time high, $69,000. But first things first, let me tell you that we have an universal code for over the reality. We had some trouble with this code, but right now it's okay. It's OVR and then reward 2 with this symbol in the middle. So use that. That's our universal code. And with it, you are going to be able of going outside and mapping the world. Maybe you want to map even a Bitcoin chart that tells everybody how high we might go into the future. Why not go there? If you don't know how to do that, if you don't know how to make money with your cell phone, then watch the dedicated video that we created with Over the Reality. Over the Reality is one of our favorite projects and is a partner of the channel. So thanks to Over, you have all this free information daily. Thank you very much. Take advantage of your code right now. Go there and map the world. And now back to Bitcoin. Again, we are in this $69,000. And the idea is how many times are we going to cross over 70K? It's so sad. And then it's happy, and then it's sad, and then it's happy, like this baby, because Bitcoin is going up and down for the $70,000 line, just making fun of us. Remember the days of the week chart pattern that we have here with TradingView, and this week is being one of the regular ones where we have not like last week, but the previous one, a very good Monday, and then not so good Tuesday, but it was more similar even to this one, and also this one, and why not this one? So yeah, the similar price action we're watching with Bitcoin for a long period of time. On Monday, we were just $1,000 to break a new all-time high. Then we lost everything on Tuesday. And you can see that we are on range between $72,000 and $69,000. Also, we draw this line some days ago and we broke it. That's not good. But you can see that if we copy and paste it in the past 2 times, once we break that very angle, we go down for a little bit and then we bounce back again. So as Max here is telling us, you need to consider that since 2022, we are going like flat up, flat up, flat up, flat up in these base camps we create. So maybe we are just in another one. As Bob Lucas is telling us here, today is one of main characters of the show, and he's telling us that we might be like this still, bouncing up and down, but he believes that $50,000 is still in the cards. And I believe that too, because remember, we have some gaps of the futures there, and who knows what will happen with all that leverage, people out there betting against Bitcoin. When we are like 8 days to the halving, we told you everything about that in our video. Is the countdown, so pay attention to price action before and after the halving. Today we're going to remind you, as we did in that video, watch it if you haven't, what happened 10 days away for the halving. And also we watched Chico Crypto's video. He told us what happened 15 days before the halving, 33% in 2020, 5% in 2016 and 2012. So he calculated an average of 40% up before the halving. Also for the very day of the halving, 13%, then 2%, then 2%, but this one was decreasing. This one was increasing. The last one, we went down. So yeah, we're going to be around 70, 60 something, according also to Chico Crypto calculations. That's nice, but we have better information than Chico Crypto today. Why is that? Because we go to TradingView and we have our own chart there. Remember that here's the chart for the 10 days prior to the halving. And on 2020, we told you we went up and then 3 days down. Here in 2016, we went up 3 days from the point we are right now and then down to the halving. And in 2012, we went up till 2 days prior to the halving. So this is something we watched in previous videos. Go there and watch them all. Also, we told you how we went 9,500% increase in 380 days after the halving in 2012. Also, how we make a 4,100% increase in 500 days in 2016. And also how in 2020 we went from 8,700 to 69,000 in just 547 days. That's interesting. You have this information in previous videos, but Chico Crypto related to this information, and he's telling us about what happened 8 days after the halving. So it's very interesting to know what happens before, because we are 10 days away, but what happens after, as we are going to be there soon enough. Here, what happened in 2012, but this 4-month chart, Chico Crypto is not 8 months. So we're going to tell you about that. Any case, we went from $12 to $100. Here in 2016, $650 to $11,000. And here in 2020, we went from 8,500 to 20,000 8 months later. So the idea of this video, forget about the 100K, because Chico Crypto is telling you that we went higher than that. We went double than that 100K. We may go to $134,000. Amazing stuff. That might be true, but again, we go to TradingView and we do our own research here. CryptoNews, Rodrigo Arnedo, smash the like button, because I'm gonna tell you more than Chico Crypto again what will happen in these 244 days, these 8 months. How are we going to end the year? How are we going to have Christmas time this 2024? Well, if you go to the third halving 2020, you can see that we peaked that 244 days after, but we're still going higher after that. So consider that. Also, we did peak 240 days after the halving in 2016, but we went so much higher afterwards. So be careful. If you sell in December, you may be right. You may lose some profit or a lot of profit. If we go to 2012, well, we peaked earlier, 133 days. That was the timing. That would be August of this very year. And we went down 240 days later, but we peaked later on. So this is the reality. This is TradingView telling you what happened. And here, your friend, remember, you thank me by clicking the like button and using the links in the description below. Thank you very much. Also sharing with your friends. So this is all the data of those charts all together. Since the point we are right now, if we follow the path of 2013, we might go to 144K by August and then down. If we follow the yellow path, we might be at $300,000 by December 2024. That would be amazing. And if we follow 2016 chart, we might be around 140K, as Chico Crypto is telling us, by December. So do you think this is possible? Which of these colors, which of this path? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you very much. Bob Lucas, remember, he told us, and we covered this information, that we might have a super cycle. That means that even though a lot of people believe that we are doing things faster and we might have the all-time high for this December, this might happen on January 2026 with a longer period than anyone expects right now. You want to know everything about this? Then you can go to our chart that we have in that very video, link in the description below. And what about the daily? What about the news that we have close to us? Well, we had yesterday a net outflow of $19 million, which is awesome for ETFs. Also, Wall Street giant Fidelity now is holding 150K Bitcoin worth over $10 billion. And BlackRock just bought a lot and it's holding over 265,000 Bitcoin right now, going closer to Grayscale. Now, Grayscale and iBit, they have a difference just of 50K. Very interesting. In a day that the market is fighting for the green, but we still greedy out there, and the bubbles are mostly red. Very interesting that in the most important ones, in the 10 best cryptocurrencies, we have their Tone coin that just surpassed Cardano. Cardano, how is that even possible? We prefer Cardano, of course. Do you too? Do you want your Cardano to work for you and make money for you? Then come with us to Fanon. We validate together. You collaborate with the channel. Thank you very much. And we are celebrating that we just validated a new block. So awesome stuff. And back to Ton that surpassed Cardano. The idea is that this is because of an IPO speculation. Also, careful out there because Telegram officials denounced alleged critical code execution vulnerability. And I found this tweet that I want to share with you because I did this just in case. The idea is that it's safer if you turn off the auto-downloaded feature for your photos, videos, and files in your charts. How to do it? Go to Telegram settings, then go to data and storage, and then turn off auto-downloads from both Wi-Fi and cellular data option. It's really easy. I did this already and I feel safer. Also, remember that we told you yesterday that Ton was doing the same as WorldCoin with biometric palm data. And today we have this information. WorldCoin is going to allow you to delete your iris if you scanned it already. And also, they will not allow people underage to do this. So maybe you are considering now, okay, and then I'm going to make money just by doing it and doing it, doing it and doing it. Well, this is a window of 6 months that you are going to not be able of scanning your iris again, allegedly. That's what they say. Also, very interesting, if you watched yesterday's videos, to watch this one about the tax report in Spain. We talk about taxes here and also in this one. Watch them all. And remember that we are in tax season in Spain. You have to do your work, and coin tracking is the only tool, in my opinion, that allows you, that makes you possible to do it. That's the one I use. That's why I recommend it. And you have a 10% discount if you use the link in the description below. And you have a lot of videos in the channel. You can also go to founderright.com, crypto legal, where I tell you how to use the platform and some questions are answered. So very interesting. And also remember to storage your cryptocurrencies safe with a Trezor that now they give us more. How's that? Well, now you have, remember, as always, the forever discount in the Model T and other models. Go there. You have the link in the description below. You help us. But also they are providing this code. So if you want to go to Bitcoin Preg this June, you're going to get 10% off in your ticket. Also an additional 5% off when you pay it with Bitcoin at checkout. So thank you very much also to our partner, the Cold Wallet Trezor. They are awesome. Ethereum trying to go up again, like Bitcoin, just ranging here around 3,600. And well, we'll see if it finally goes to 4,000. We go to the end of the video with this information about what your brain cells look like when you are learning something new. That's what you're doing here with CryptoNews every day. So make your brain cells happy by learning new things every day and by learning about cats trading like this one. Why is it going down? Everybody's like this. Bitcoin's going so much up, but from time to time it goes down. It's okay. Learn about it. Or maybe learn about AI. Very interesting that we created this video. We told you that maybe there were some manipulation in elections due to Sora and very little views. Maybe because of the algorithm Very interesting. Go there and watch it because it seems they don't want you to watch the video. And if you want to keep on learning about cryptocurrencies, then watch one of these two videos or one of the 1,800 we created already, and we are already researching for the next one. Here on Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!